His name Abhinav Singh, age is 35 years, and today date is 26th of January 2024 and complain of high pitched voice. तो मुझे voice sample चाहिए treatment के पहले का. Tell about yourself, why you came here.
So many times the people on the other side of the phone, they perceived my voice as female voice. So I felt that the strength in my voice is less, and I also, it's important to have a good quality voice to excel professionally also and to create impact on the team also.
Post type of video, and today date is 2nd of February 2024. So I want speech sample after treatment.
Yeah.
How do you feel after treatment?
So I am feeling very confident, and even my relatives, my friends who have been in touch with me, they are able to see a clear difference in my voice quality, and now I am feeling very confident. So thank you, doctor.
What was the exactly problem?
So I felt that my voice pitch was very high, and sometimes people on the other side of the call, they perceived my voice as female voice. Now after this correction, all these irregularities and lacuna in my voice has gone away.
Okay, and tell about your education and job.
So I have done BTech from IIT Roorkee and MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. I have total 14 years of work ex. I have worked in various MNCs including Tata Steel, Coca-Cola, Pernod Ricard, and now I am with Domino's Pizza.
Okay, so how this voice is going to help your profession?
So I am in a leadership position, and I have to inspire, motivate a big team, and I have to give the directions. I have to set out the strategy also. So with clear communication, articulation, I will be able to motivate them further.
Thank you. Thanks for coming and showing faith in us. So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, thanks for the giving permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change in his voice, so like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and a ray of hope. Thanks for watching.